Hi everyone. Today I've spent 3 hours on CAT preparation. Today was my first day preparing for CAT 2026. I've studied ratios PYQs. I've listened to the class on distribution chapter in LRDI, and I have also listened to the class on 2 reading comprehension passages. I've spent 1 hour in quant. I've spent 1 hour in LRDI. I've spent 1 hour in VRC. So I've done listening to the classes. I've done practice of the previous year CAT questions on ratio topic. So total number of hours spent today were 3. Uh, Getting into the details, I have solved 3 PYQs on ratio chapter. These are the 3 PYQs. All the 3 PYQs are from 2024. The fruit seller question that was asked in 2024, I think that can be solved if you know that he has given 187 fruits are there in total, and he has given you the ratio of apples and mangoes. So I think that the thing here to know is that you can say the number of apples are 5x and the number of mangoes are 2x if they're in the ratio of 5:2. Now you can say that the number of oranges are equal to the total number of fruits 187 minus this 5x and plus 2x, that is 7x. So if you're able to know this, I think if you're able to crack this, then I think the first question, one should have solved the first question. The second question was on the ages. Like there are 2 characters, Rajesh and Garima. And then he's talking, like if you know that, future, present, if you make this table, future, present, and past, and you say that Rajesh present age is R and Garima's present age is G. And if in the past Rajesh was of same age as Garima means, you put here G. That in the past, the Rajesh age was equal to Garima's age. And also in the question is saying that in the future, Garima's age is same as Rajesh present age. So here you can put R. So if you can, I think if when I did this, I was able to solve this. I was not able to solve the first question, but the second 2024 CAT question, this one's easy for me. And the third question was like there are 2 characters, Rajesh and Vimal, and they are owning a land, and that land has a mix of wheat and mustard crops. So he has given you the ratio of wheat and mustard crops in total and with Vimal. So this ratio he has given. In total, how much of the crops, how much of the land is covered by wheat and mustard, and how much of the land that Vimal is owning is covered by wheat and mustard. And we had to find out like how much of the land is covered by wheat and mustard for Rajesh. So I think that was also a moderate level of question. I was able to solve it. Then in LRDI, I have listened to the class of logic distribution. Uh, Distribution, and the technique there is like they will give you the people and occupation. Let's say, for example, the people and occupation, like somebody, like there are 4 people, and one of them is police officer and doctor and lawyer, like that, and you have to find out like who exactly is the police officer, like that, or they may give you buildings and they will give you the colors, and they will ask you like they will give you some hints, and we need to find out like which building is exactly covered by which color. So let's say, for example, they say uh, that there are 3 people, P1, P2, P3, and one of them is doctor, another one is lawyer, another one is, let's say, engineer. And if he says that this person P1 is an engineer, then obviously the other 2 people will not be engineers, right? Sorry, the other 2 people will not be the engineers. And also, if this person is an engineer, then he will definitely not be a doctor and lawyer. So knowing that this particular person is engineer is also giving you that he's not a doctor and lawyer, and also the other 2 people are not engineers, right? So that's how you should, I think one should solve a question on logic distribution. Then coming to reading comprehension passages, I think I have listened to these 2 classes. One was on evolutionary psychology, the other one was on Stoicism. Okay, that took me around 1 hour. I was thinking to cover 4 RCs, but I was able to listen to only two RC classes. The plan for tomorrow, 26 December 2025, is to listen to a verbal ability introduction class. That will take me 1 hour time. Then to listen to a logic LRDI class on arrangements, which should take me 1.5, and to solve few PYQs from percentage topic. That should take me around 1 hour. Again, the plan, like I discussed yesterday, is the same throughout this preparation. So thank you.